Guys, we have something for the garage remodel project right here that is going to change the absolute game. I am so hype trained for this. Right here behind me in the Supercar Street Racing living room, there is an extra large package right here in which I just doxed myself, but I don't care. And we're going to be opening this up right now, putting it out and see what is in here. It is something special for the channel. Let's do it. Right here in front of me and right now in front of me, we have something for the garage that is going to change everything. This is what we have. And it is backwards. We have the Supercar Street Racing banners, the garage, and take a look at this, guys. These are unbelievable. Look at this. There are 2 of these in the package. Wow. These are 10-foot wide banners for the garage. Unbelievable. Guys, these are custom printed banners. They're about $110 a piece plus shipping and tax. And now we have something to put up in the garage for the Supercar Street Racing channel. These things are freaking awesome. Let's get them out there and get them hung up. 17.5. All right, let's go.
Foot section to the
We just finished parts, I don't even know, like 7 or 6 of the garage remodel project, and this part of the project was these amazing printable banners. And you can see right here, they look so fly on the wall of the Supercar Street Racing amazing garage. And we have finished this part. And check out the banners, guys. They are 10 foot by 5 foot or 10 by 6 foot. I'll have to look up online, but I'm gonna put a link in the description to how you get yourself a custom printed banner just like Supercar Street Racing has. And these guys came out so nice, and they look so good because I love how like they cover up the black space in the wall that was just empty now. The only thing that would look better maybe is with a TV above them on each side, but I really don't need that. Now if we ever decide to actually go live in the garage and do a podcast or anything like that, we can go ahead and set up right in front of this guy, and we can do our podcast from out in the Supercar Street Racing garage. Now all there is to this is if you are not a graphic designer, you need to have someone design your background. Now I sent them a PNG file of this background that I created in Photoshop, and I do have a background in graphic design, so that helps me. Once they have your PNG file, they will approve it and then go ahead and send it off to print. And I think this only took about 3 days to get from the order process right to the Supercar Street Racing garage where it sits right now, looking so fly in front of you. And the next step of this project is this garage door. Now I don't want to reveal too much about what's happening, but let's just say once this garage door is changed out, the look of this thing is going to be so much better. And then we're going to redo the floors, because you can see they have gone through some abuse in the years that since I have painted them. It's been about 2 or 3 years. So I want to get everything out of here and then pressure wash everything and clean it, and then go ahead and put another coat of paint on top of these with more of the sparkles, or get a company to do it. Maybe I can find a company that will work with me and we'll do it and get a sponsorship, but we will see. But that is going to wrap up this part of the garage remodel, and I do have some stuff coming up with this garage door. I am waiting on the paver company to let me know when the materials are going to be here so they start the garage door and the actual driveway remodel. The driveway is going to be substantially upgraded, guys. I hope you're as hyped as I am. But for now, let's take it to the Supercar Street Racing 4K production studio to check out how you can get one of these for yourself online. Hey guys, I was just working on another project outside on the dock, but I thought I would come in and talk to you guys about these custom banners from uprinting.com. Now these cost about $246 altogether, and I got them in just a couple of days, so it's kind of a crazy good deal and super fast shipping, and I love them. So what I did was I picked a 10 by 5 foot vinyl banner, and I created the artwork myself. And if you need help for me to create art for your banner, just hit me up at supercarstreetracing@gmail.com and I will gladly give you a hand. And I love doing this stuff, and it made the garage look so great. And as you can see right here on uprinting.com, that we do have the vinyl banner 10 by 5 order right there, and you can order other sizes as well. If you don't need something that huge like I did for the garage, and I got 2 of them, then you can also order something a lot smaller, which will save you some money. So go ahead and check out uprinting.com. I will put a link in the description. And now I just want to ask you guys, please, if you can like and subscribe and click through all my product links in Amazon and order any products you want on Amazon, and I get a little bit of a commission from it, and it helps out the channel greatly. Please like and subscribe and click the bell icon as well. The channel is growing amazing this year, and I'm so happy to have you guys with us, and I'm so happy for your support, and every click matters and every comment matters. So go ahead and tell me what you think down in the description. I got to get going though. I got to eat some Chinese food.